Hello, my darlings. Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and always leaving me such a beautiful comments. I am C and this is CJ DIY. Crafting, creating DIY thrift flip is my hobby and I love it so much. And I'm so happy that I can give you some inspirations for your home decor. And today I am taking you to the fruit market. For a fruit market, we need to make a sign first. So I'm using one of these mini chalkboard signs from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use a stencil from Plaid, and I'm using a white folk art paint with a sponge brush, and I only gonna use the lines and the word market for it. Super simple DIY, and it's gonna look very high-end and perfect for our tier tray. So today I am creating fruit decor for tier tray with my favorite challenge, and we'll talk about that soon as this DIY is done. Look how cute it came out. Next, I'm using these galvanized letters from Dollar Tree where it's gonna say fruit, and we're gonna glue them on top of the market. Just like so, and our beautiful fruit market sign is ready to go. Let me know, what do you think? I have also stained the handles with a wax and a water just to get that little bit rustic look, and that's about it for this DIY. Today, I'm so happy that I'm a part of 5 Under 5 challenge hosted by my amazing, darling, beautiful friends, Emily and Missi. Emily from Farm Charm Chic and Missi from Crafty Cove. And this month, the guest host is Charlotte from Crafting Up a Storm. Emily from Farm Charm Chic, she's an amazing person, a very good friend of mine, creating beautiful home decor and so much inspirations on her channel. Missi, Crafty Cove, amazing, talented, beautiful friend of mine, creating amazing home decor as well. And Crafting Up a Storm with Char, she is new to YouTube, so please give her some love. She's creating beautiful home decor as well, along with the amazing playlist with the amazing talented creators, and all links will be in my description box. So after watching my video, you know where you're going next. How many times I said amazing? But yeah, it's true, everybody is amazing. Let's just jump into DIY number 2. This time I'm having a helper. My daughter is gonna make a lemonade and a milkshake using one of those clear jug mugs from Dollar Tree, and using a clear glue. She added 2 of them inside of the mug. Since we don't want to use resin, we're using a glue, another option, even if it takes days to get dry. But it's gonna look cute. Wait till you see at the end. Now she's gonna put 2 or 3 drops of this yellow food color just to get that beautiful yellow look to look exactly like a lemonade. So drop 2 or 3 drops, or maybe more, 4 drops. And now she's presenting to you with this wooden dowel. She's gonna mix it well. She's doing a good job. What do you think? I think she should create stuff and record instead of me. She had so much fun, and she's presenting to you how it came out. She's cracking me up. And now we're adding one of those beautiful decorative straws, also from Dollar Tree, and 1 faux lemon. I'm just gonna cut the little edges on the lemon just to fit on top of the mug, and that's about it. I'm also adding a jute ribbon on top, and I'm gonna make just a simple bow, and that's about it for this DIY. You gotta let me know, what do you think? For the next jar mock, we're gonna add some spackling. This spackling, it's pink, but when it get dry, it's gonna be white. So first we're putting it in the container just to mix it well, and I also add a couple of drops of pink food color just to get the pink color, because like I said, if it dry, it's gonna be white. And now we're gonna pour all that spackling mixture inside of the jar until it's all fully loaded. Next, we're using this decorative kit from Dollar Tree so we can create the frosting for top of our milkshake. This time we're using just a regular spackling. We're not gonna add any colors in it, and we're just creating the design for the frosting. Simple as that. Now I'm adding one Faux strawberry on the side of the frosting, and my daughter is adding a fruit sprinkles, Faux fruit sprinkles. We got those from Amazon long time ago, just to get that extra frosty cute detail on top of the milkshake. We also cut one of the straws, and I'm also adding one of those beautiful umbrellas, decorative umbrellas. And that's about it. We're gonna leave the frosty to get dry. Look how cute it looks so far. And we're gonna put it on top, and I think my daughter did a great job. You guys gotta let me know, what do you think? I'm also adding a ribbon on top and adding a mini bow. And that's about it for this DIY. Look how cute these fall drinks look. For DIY number 3, I'm gonna use one of those ice cream cups from Dollar Tree. They come as a set. I think there are 4 and 5 of them. They come with a mini spoons as well. So I'm gonna use one of them, and I'm gonna paint it with a terracotta paint. And I'm just dabbing it all over to get that extra texture on it so it doesn't look like it's plastic. And when it's all dry, around it I'm adding this beautiful jute twine. I'm just gonna glue it and make just a simple bow. Super cute container where we sell our cherries in our fruit market. Now, before we display it, we're adding some greeneries and some faux cherries, and that's about it. And look how cute! Next, I'm using this galvanized frame from Dollar Tree. I'm distressing it with the same Terrazzo 10 terracotta paint just to get that rustic look. And also I'm using one of these cherry piece that they're selling at the Dollar Tree necklaces. I just removed that piece, and I'm just sanding it out and adding some wax on top of it so it's not that much shiny. And I'm gonna add it on the clip. And also we're making a word suite with these galvanized letters. I'm also distressing them with the wax and with the black paint just to get that rustic look. I am also adding the same twine around the frame, just a couple of layers to get that extra detail farmhouse look. And we're gonna make a simple bow, and it's gonna be so cute. I'm also using the lighter just to get rid of the pieces on the twine, and that's it. And look how beautiful it came out. For DIY number 4, we're gonna make beautiful apple and strawberry baskets. First, I'm using this mini basket that I have in my stack, and I'm just gonna make a handle. I'm using one of those weaving reeds that they're used for baskets. I'm using my staple gun on each side. And also I'm adding a wax with a water mixture just to get that rustic look on my basket. I'm using a wipe to wipe it off. And super cute. Adding some shopping bags on top. To cover the shopping bags, we're adding a Spanish moss and reindeer moss. And we're gonna fill it up with our faux beautiful green apples that I purchased from Joann's long time ago. They were on sale for like $1 a bag, and they came perfect for these creations. I'm also adding this gingham ribbon on the edges of my basket, and just to make a simple bow. And this DIY is done and ready for the market. So cute, it's so adorable. For my strawberry shopping cart, I'm gonna need one of those wooden crates from Dollar Tree, one wooden plaque, one mini palette, and I'm gonna put them all together. First, I'm gluing the wooden plaque with a wood glue and a hot glue around the sizes and put it on one side of the crate. Next, I'm cutting 2 wooden dowels, smaller pieces, just like so, and those wooden dowels gonna go on each of the corners on the other side of the crate. I'm gluing the palette on top of the crate, and we have a beautiful strawberry shopping cart for our market. So cute. You're gonna see at the end how cute it came out. When it's all nice and glued, I'm adding this seashell beautiful pink color and a white folk art paint, making like a stripes. When it's all nice and dry, I'm adding this cute jute ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna add it on the corners of my crate. Another design twine ribbon. Those ribbons are so cute. I'm using them for the roof of my shopping cart. When it's all done, I'm adding some greeneries and the faux strawberry, and our cart full of strawberries are ready for the fruit market. You gotta let me know, what do you think? It came out so cute. Together, the strawberry cart with the apple basket look perfect. You gotta let me know, what do you think? And for my last DIY, actually this is not a DIY, this is a thrifted item. Looks so perfect for our fruit market. All I did is I just clean it up very well. I really like how it look outside. This is a wooden box, And look at all those details with the handles and the cap on top. Beautiful. I fill it out with the shopping bags, added some moss and greeneries just to cover the shopping bags, and fill it out with these beautiful real looking pears. I also got those pears from Joann's. They were on clearance for $1. I got them a few months ago, and a perfect occasion now. And I'm just filling out my cart, and it's ready for my fruit market. Super simple and easy. I just left it as it is, and I think it's perfect for our farmer fruit market today. And here is the final reveal. Finally, we did so much today. You gotta let me know what I did. For under $25, I created a beautiful fruit market for you guys. Give me your thoughts. I hope I gave you so much inspirations, and I hope you really like it. And before I let you go, don't forget to check out my beautiful, amazing friends, Emily, Missi, Charlotte, an amazing playlist with so many talented creators, all my beautiful friends. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.